Hello everyone, I'm here to present the main results of the study on a phylogenetic perspective of the evolution of animal sentience going back to the origin of Metazoa.
This work was realized by me, Michaella Andrade, master student in evolution and diversity at the Federal University of ABC, and
I'm her advisor, Charles Santos. When we talk about sentience, we are dealing with the capacity of organisms to have subjective sensations. These subjective sensations are experiences with positive or negative affective directions. It's currently accepted that the mechanisms of response to harmful stimuli and sentience may have been preserved during animal evolution. In fact, there's a still unsolved problem with our understanding of the evolution of sentience. The majority of the available studies have a clear vertebrate-centric bias. Information and data on the evolution of sentience in invertebrates are still lacking. We tried to fill this gap of knowledge regarding non-vertebrate animals using a phylogenetic perspective, testing the hypothesis of common ancestry of characters related to sentience.
our taxonomic sample was 26 clades of Metazoa. The characters used in our analysis were related to general aspects of morphology, and in addition to general morphological attributes. We also used traits of the nervous and sensory system and molecular markers of pain and nociception. Distinct behaviors were considered. For phylogenetic analysis, we used different optimization methods. In our phylogenetic trees, several groups of animals were recovered as natural groups. Porifera was recovered as sister group to all the other Metazoa. This hypothesis shows a degree of sentience since the common ancestor of Eumetazoa. The sentience had an important diversification with the appearance of animals with bilateral symmetry. Behaviors such as classical, operant conditioning, and responses to harmful stimuli were widely distributed in Metazoa. However, we have a large data gap for some members of Protostomia and Deuterostomia. Our research is the first attempt to understand the evolution of sentience based on different sources of characters. It has allowed us to explore a scenario where morphological traits of the sensory system have appeared even before the appearance of nervous cells. Some of these traits may have been co-opted during the evolution of the nervous system of Eumetazoa, indicating new uses for existing features. The analyzed attributes indicate that a biochemical, physiological, and behavioral basis precede the appearance of the central nervous system, suggesting a gradual pattern of sentience evolution since the origin of bilateral animals at least 500 million years ago.
Here are the references used in this presentation. We would like to thank the graduate program in Evolution and Diversity of the Federal University of ABC and also CAPES, CNPq, and FAPESP for funding.